In this video, I'm going to be answering your question on, can loan app access my contact if uninstalled? That's a funny question though, but the answer is yes. They will have access to your contact, because when you are applying for a loan, you already grant them access to your contact. If you remember, you already grant them to have access to your contact, so they already have all your contact data on their app. Not after you install or uninstall. Once you try to apply for a loan, they're gonna tell you to grant permission to have access to your contact, and once you grant that permission, all your contact has been imported to fairmoney database. If you uninstall the app, it doesn't do anything, or else you pay back the money you borrow. You understand? That is how it works. Or else maybe they didn't pop it up to you, or you didn't read the terms and conditions that they're gonna have access to your contacts and all. So whether you uninstall the app or you don't uninstall the app, it's already there. You already grant that permission, or else they didn't ask you. If they already ask you, any app that asks you to access your contact, trust me, it's gone. Your contact has been imported to their database, and they're gonna call your contact if in case you didn't pay back the money at a stipulated time you both agreed on.